Hello everyone. This video is about poster making, a minor discourse. Let us learn what a poster means. A poster is a large notice announcing or advertising something. It generally creates social awareness about any problem or need. It also conveys a social message in an eye-catching way. Or a poster displays a message or an appeal to create awareness. The content should be organized in an appropriate style. A poster is a large notice or picture that you stick on a wall or board, often in order to advertise something. Let us know the purpose of making a poster. We generally make posters to invite people for the circus show, magic show, etc. And also to make people know about the exhibitions like art and craft exhibition, handloom exhibition, painting exhibition, etc. When any organization organize cultural activities like singing, dancing, competitions, they make posters and paste them in public places and publish them in newspapers so that the aspirants can take part in the competitions. So poster making will definitely help here. Posters are also made to bring awareness among people regarding the social problems like corruption, save water, save trees, etc. If any religious gathering and political meetings are being held in a locality, then the people will be informed about such meeting with the help of posters. Let us see what includes in a poster. The poster should be visually attractive. The title in the poster should be catchy and persuasive. It should be written in different fonts. A poster should contain the name of the issuing authority or organizers. Purpose of making a poster should be clearly mentioned. Date, time, place of the event should be mentioned clearly in a poster. Here are some of the sample posters. The given poster is on the topic importance of trees. Let us start with the title. To make the title more catchy and persuasive, we have written trees on global warming gone. And we have used shapes to write the uses of trees. Like we have cloud shape used to write the uses like remove carbon dioxide, gives oxygen, gives food, reduce erosion, that way. And some more shapes are given to write the venue and the date on which this tree plantation is taking place. At the end, the information regarding the issuing authority is given, like issued by Principal MJPTBC WREIS Society, Peddapur. And don't forget to keep everything in a box. That means all the information regarding the poster should be fixed in a box and it should be more colorful. Here is the other sample poster on a magic show. You can start the magic show with the title Magic Show, Wanna See a Trick? So you can even write a question to attract the people, and then you can write the information in different shapes. Like venue is written here at NHS ground. Timing is written in other shape, like join the show at 7 to 9 p.m. The further information is written in another shape, like 2 shows per day. For online booking, contact and phone number is given. Ticket price is also given, that children 50 rupees, adults 100 rupees. And issuing authority is also given at the end of the poster. This is how you can make a poster on any magic show or circus show or any other show. You can even add some more attractive pictures so that it looks very appealing. This poster is regarding the cultural activities, like the title goes Indian Classical Dance Competition. You can draw the pictures of different dance forms. All the information regarding this dance competition is given in different shapes again. Like all the aspirants can register their names by contacting Mrs. Mayuri and phone number is given. Age group of the children are also given, like 11 to 25 years can participate in this dance competition. Venue is given, that is City Auditorium. So issuing authority is Nataraja Dance Academy. Here are some of the important points that we need to be very careful when we attempt to make a poster. Maintain brevity as there is limited space available. Brevity in the sense, exact use of words. As our poster should be fixed in a box, we need to be very clear regarding the words that we use in a poster. Second one, clarity is essential in order to successfully put the message across. So whatever sentences we use, whatever words we use to make a poster, it should be very clear. Then only we can convey our message successfully to our readers. Third one, the visual or colors must add to and not detract from the message. We need to be very careful when we use the visuals or the colors in poster. They should not dominate the message that we are trying to convey to our readers. Fourth one, arrange content in a pleasing, readable way. The language used in the poster should be in an appealing manner. Sixth one, the name and address of the issuing organization must be clear. Sixth one, catchy slogans or captions can be used to make the message effective. Let us see how poster making is evaluated. Discourse specific, layout or design carries 1 mark. Language specific, contextual relevance and coherence carries 1 mark. That means the matter should be relevant to the question asked. Proper sentence structure or well-formedness carries 1 mark. Brevity carries 1 mark. Conventions of writing carries 1 mark. Conventions are the full stops, comma, capital letters, small letters, etc. In total, poster making carries 5 marks. Hope you have understood how to make a poster, the features involved in making a poster. Here is an activity for you all. Make a poster on given topics. Coronavirus, precautions to be taken. Save water. Do like, share and subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon because whenever I upload a new video, you will get a notification. My previous videos links are given in the description box. You can watch by opening the links. Thank you.